Kitakata City, Fukushima Prefecture, located in the north of the Aizu region. It is said that it is a city of storehouses, but many storehouses had been remaining in the ruins. Another speciality of here is Kitakata ramen. It is counted among the 3 most famous ramen in Japan. Home to around 120 ramen shops, Kitakata serves more ramen per capita than any other town in Japan. Among the domestic Paulownia Fukushima, Aizu region is referred to as the Aizu Kiri, and has a history of over 300 years. Above all, it is the most valuable and finest quality in terms of aesthetics. The hot weather in summer, and the cold environment in Aizu in winter, bring up good quality Paulownia. Aizu Kiri Geta is made from the Aizu Kiri. Aizu Kiri Geta is the beauty of wood grain, lightness, and comfort. It is considered the highest peak of Paulownia Geta. Aizu Kiri Geta became popular in the Edo period. It began when the Aizu clan encouraged the tree planting of Paulownia. The characteristics of Aizu Kiri Geta are 3 major. They are made of 1 piece of solid wood forming the sole, and 2 wooden blocks underneath. That gives an appropriate strength, but also the light weight in the wood. Next, the annual rings are straight-grained. The Geta comes in 2 different types of wood patterns: cross-grain and straight-grain. Since the old days, the Japanese has been particularly fond of the straight grain. The reason for the preference of the straight grain is the advantage in functionality, which is strong to warping and shrinkage compared to the cross grain. Also, clean pattern of the fine straight grain appeals to the Japanese sense of beauty. It is not only beautiful to look at, but also has a comfort feeling of wearing, because the weight and hardness are symmetrical. Kurosawa Paulownia Shop is a long-established one which has created their Paulownia clogs in Fukushima since 1912. Here is a young man who maintains the tradition and passes it on to the future generations. Aizu Kiri Geta is divided, because there are many processes from logging to finishing of raw wood. There is no craftsman who can do all the processes alone. In Japan, only a few craftsmen who can do everything by themselves. Kurosawa-san is learning the techniques of the 2 masters so that he can do all the steps, and after this, he approaches the unknown wisdom and secrets of Kiri Geta.
心地いいね。
気持ちいいですね、白木は。
気持ちいい。軽い。